Hello guys, welcome to yet another YouTube video in web tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video we are going to solve the problem number 39, which is sunset, and we will be learning box gradient, and we'll also see pseudo elements in this particular chapter, and also we'll deal with flex elements. So with that said, let's get started. So as you can see, this 39, there are like circle and there are lines on top of a circle. Probably we can give linear gradient there. So let's get started. We'll have one element as usual. Instead of a P, let's have a P element, and then let's give a style tag. And by default, let's initialize our margin to be 0, padding to be 0, box size to be border box. That's done. Next we'll give for body. No need the pseudo class for the body. So in the body, first we'll have background to be of the color given to us. Then we'll use display flex because we want to center the item. We'll have justify content center. Then you have align items center. That's done for the body, and then let's go with the p tag. Here also, first let's give background to be red, just for padding to be 100. We'll change the color. Border radius to be 50%. So padding 100 is like 200 width by 200 height. So that's perfect for the back side. So let's copy the color and let's replace it with that particular color. So we have got this, and we'll be using we also want our pseudo element p after. So in order to use pseudo element, we have to give content to be there, empty string. Position you want to give absolute. What will happen if we don't give position absolute? I'll show you. Padding, let's say 125. It is not visible, nothing is visible yet. So let's change this color. Background to be red. So ultimately, if you see, this is where the P is. It is not centered to the circle. So in order to do that, the P tag we also can give display flex. Justify center. So in a previous video you have seen like we used to center the item using top 50%, left 50% and transform translate, and this is another method of centering the elements. Align items. So basically we have got that. What will happen if we don't give position absolute? So basically the 100 padding is the padding from even the after element is counted inside and the padding is added on top of it. So we do not want that to be done. So that's why we need to give position to be absolute. Background we will be using linear gradient instead of red. So right now we need to give border radius to be 50%. So this size looks correct. Now let's change the red to linear gradient. So linear gradient, if we see, let's order this color first. How do we approach linear gradient in a different way? We see transparent, we have this dark green, yellow, dark green, yellow, dark green, yellow, dark green. So you have 4 dark greens, 3 yellows. Okay, so first you have transparent. Then you have this dark green. Then you have yellow. I am writing them in different line. So we have 4 times dark green and 3 times yellow. So 3. So we have 3 times dark green and 3 times yellow. Let's have that, and then we have transparent. So basically we have got this, but if you see, it is like smudged up. Now we have to give absolute pixel. So transparent is okay, and this last transparent is okay. We need to give the starting and the ending for each. So let's start this from 45 pixels. Let's see, 45 pixels is right. No. Wait, let's not do that first. For transparent, let's give 50 pixels. So hard stop 50 pixels. Smudging out. To get the start of that, you have 50 pixels. Is 50 enough? No, I think 55 is right. Yes, 55 looks exactly right. So then this color will start from 55 and it will end. I think each line is 20 pixels, so 75. So 55 to 75. This starts from 75 pixels to this will start from 95 pixels. This will start from 115 pixels, and this will start from 135 pixels. Okay. 75, 95. Correct, from 95. 115. Yep. Too big. From 115 to 135, 135 to 155. Here you have from 155 px to 175 px, and this one is from 175 px to 190 px, 195. And then transparent starts from 195 px. So with this we have achieved what we wanted. So everything is perfect. Let's submit and see. So this is a 100% match. It's submitting. Basically, if you want that lines to be clear, you have to start this at 56, 76, 96, 116, 136, 156, 176, 196. Why is it not submitting? So writing and submitting the code. So it's an 100% match with 600.16 score. So I hope you understood the difference between a flex and top left, and the reason why we use position absolute is in relation with the element, the parent element. So for P, after the parent element would be P, and for P the parent element would be body tag. Okay. So with this, let's get to the next part, shortening the code. Let's select all the parts that are at this level. Let's give them a good backspace. So currently what we are doing is selecting everything that's at the same level and reducing that. Putting it in the same line. Removing the last closing paragraphs, removing this part with the body and the border box. So with that, if we submit with 557 characters with a better score than 600.16, you have 601.98. So this is how you do your CSS battle. And if you have any doubts, any queries, and if you are not understanding the way I do things, you can please leave a comment. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like button so that it reaches as many people as possible. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's get going. Thank you and have a great day.